Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and this Sunday we're going to go to the Karma. But before we go to the Karma and have that lovely Sunday carvery, we're having a little walk. A mystery walk, isn't it? A sort of mystery walk. To try and find a house or villa, whatever you want to call it. So we thought we'd start at the Karma and have a walk around the area. It's lovely and quiet down here, guys. Let me cross the road. There's a bargain shop over there. Look, a second-hand shop. Oh, there's the bike track. Oh guys, didn't realise a bike track was on this side. Oh yeah, of course. It must swap over sometime round the corner. Oh, there you are. So there's the bike track. So if you're staying in Pernera, guys, Napa, you feel energetic one evening, you can always rent a bike from your hotel. Just go to reception. There's loads of bikes outside the hotels and they'll sort one out for you. Look at this. This olive tree's packed with blossom. And so is ours in the garden, guys. We have got 4 olive trees in the garden. Last year only 2 produced, because apparently they only produce olives every 2 years or every other year. And I'll do a little video of the garden for you guys, update on the garden, see what's going on. Oh, look at that front door, isn't it nice? With a curve on it, I like that. Very nice. So we are on the main road, guys, going towards the other main road that goes towards Pernera and Napa. Coming up to the traffic lights. So if you did want to come down into Pernera, guys, there's the traffic lights. You'll turn left or right, whatever direction you're coming from, and then down this main road here. And you know you're going in the right direction. You'll see the Karma lifestyle. And we will be doing a little video in there, guys, for the Sunday carvery. See what it's like this year. It's very popular with the locals and tourists, the Sunday carvery, and they do all sorts of things in there. But some villas here. There's Dino's Court. Is that a dinosaur or something? Looks very nice, doesn't it, guys? Dino's Court. I don't think we're here to see Dino's Court, but it does look very nice. And then we've got some lovely villas either side. And Pernera is very popular for villas or houses. Little private houses everywhere. And a few hotels. Look out for the video. So there we are, some more lovely villas. That's number 1 over there. Number 1 what? I'm not sure. As I said, it's a mystery tour. So we're at Oristiada Valley 8. Not sure if that's what we want. Is that what we want? No, it's not what we want, guys. Not what we're looking out for at all. Oh, I like their gardens. Nice, aren't they? We've got this tree, haven't we, guys? We call it bottle brush tree. Oh, look at the wasps on it. Oh, be careful. Are they wasps or bees? Oh, they're bees, actually. Oh, this one coming after me. My fault. Got the camera quite close. That's a nice house. Look at the colour of it. And you'll find lots of these boards outside these houses, guys, that are up for holiday rental. That's Blue Surf, but there's lots and lots of companies offering the service. They look after the houses, get clients, tidy them up when they leave and when they're about to arrive, and put welcoming packages out, you know, that sort of thing. Nice area, isn't it? Now there are new villas going up on our left, and they're going straight out to that massive main road, the road that goes to Ayia Napa, as I said, and Brodara. So here we are. Look, this one's by Lemire Homes, you see, and that one too, that same company. Oh, look at that colour. Some unusual colours around here. Do like the magnolia, but look at this. What a great idea. That looks really nice. That's quite unusual, isn't it, guys? It's normally grey, but this one's painted green. Oh, look at those gardens at the end. Now I think that's the communal gardens coming up. Each development's got to have its own communal area. And look at this, it really is nice. Right, are we in the right area? Yeah. We are in the right area, apparently. We are looking on the map. Straight ahead through the communal gardens. Around here, can you see? I mean, is that an amphitheatre? It is. That's very unusual for a community garden. I wonder if it is a community garden, or is it something to do with the local council? Yeah. Eh? Not sure. Oh wow. More olive trees down here. And then we've got a basketball court here on the left. There we go. Could be five-a-side as well, I suppose. So it looks like it's going to be a circular walk. Didn't intend it to be a circular walk, but it is. Look, we've been round there, up to the main road, turned right, back down here, guys. And we're going towards another complex. I think that this whole area is a communal gardens, and I think the complex is so big because we've got houses right round. They've got a massive communal garden. Oh, there's even a slope. Well, that's good. Right, down the slope. Apartments now. We've got apartments on the left. Another nice house there on the right. Oh, now this is a dead end, look. Okay, let's turn right. And we can see quite a few of these houses around here are lived in all year round, not just holiday houses. Look at that, it's lovely, isn't it? Two doors on the front, double fronted two-door house, same as this one here. Oh, there's more down there on the left. Right, carrying on down. Lovely houses around here, guys. Oh, that apartment's for sale. Look at that. There we are. Right, let's carry on down here, shall we? Oh, palm trees on this particular house. They've got a little car park area as well. They're very sweet, aren't they? Really nice. Now, coming up, I think it's a fairly new development. Katerina Heights. I say new, guys. There's bushes over there. Those conifers are quite big. So I think 7-8 years old. Oh, this is good, guys. We're lost again. So there's the main road, and that goes up towards the Karma, and that goes to the Golden Coast, and we're going back into this lovely housing estate. Finally at our destination, and there isn't a sign outside telling you what villa it is, and that's why we walked past it 3 times, guys. But there it is. It's beautiful, right in the corner. Now we won't go in and we won't video the garden, guys, because there are people enjoying a holiday there at the moment. But it is beautiful. There's a swimming pool at the front, lovely quiet location, beautiful gardens. There's even a car park area here on the back. So there we are. Now we're going to carry on the video because we're going to go out of this complex, and if I come across a villa or house similar, guys, I'll point it out. There's one here on the corner. We can't see the swimming pool there, and we'll head back towards the Karma, and then we'll show you exactly where it is. And there's this beautiful communal area that we came across. So guys, we came from that direction, and I think we're going to end up doing a lovely circular walk. It's a shame we went past it 2 or 3 times. Could do with a little sign outside the villa telling us exactly the name of the villa. There's a little tip. Oh, there's one of those lovely windmills. Oh, bad condition, that's a shame. Yeah, still got the pipe running down into the well, and that would have served all these fields round here. And this would have been all fields, guys, the whole lot. Oh, look at that. That's a big flower, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at that, guys. More communal gardens. Right, let's shoot over to the main road and we can see exactly where we are. Well, that was a shortcut, guys. There we are. There's a path down there, and that goes through the communal gardens. You can see that 5-a-side court on the left, and that goes straight to that lovely villa. What a lovely complex. It's enormous, guys. So if you're driving there, you can see the Karma lifestyle on the main road, and I will carry on videoing down there, guys, because that's where we're going to end up. You come down this road here, turn left, and then left again, guys. So that's how you get to that particular complex and villa, guys. Isn't it a lovely villa? Isn't it a lovely area? And we're not too far away from the beach. Yeah, see all these houses round here on the right. Oh, there's the 102. As I was saying, all these houses are part of the same complex, I do believe. And of course, as I just mentioned, the bus has just gone by, and you can always get a bus from this area, guys. Loads of bus stops around. I haven't seen the bus stop yet. Yes, I have. There it is. We just passed it on the left. So there's one bus stop. And we'll go to the junction, and then we'll finish our mystery tour there. Well, that's worked out all right, hasn't it, guys? Really nice little walk. We've done a circular walk. Excellent. I do like a circular walk. Don't like going back where I started. It's a bit more interesting, isn't it, guys? And look out for the videos, guys, at Troodos Mountains. We've done lots of circular walks up there. I do make a point up in Troodos to do the circular walks. So here we are in the main road, guys. Karma's lifestyle across the road. If we go down there, you can bump into all the restaurants and bars. There's a convenience shop. And of course, where we started off down there, guys, where the traffic lights are, where the big road is, will take you to Pernera and Napa. So I hope you enjoyed that little circular walk. We certainly did. And now we're going to go and have our amazing carvery, and we'll do a little video again for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.